Have you ever felt like your mind is stuck in one place? Like there's something powerful inside you, but you just can't unlock it? What if I told you that the secret to unlocking your brain's true potential lies in one simple word? Habit. Yes, a habit. A habit that doesn't just shape your life, but can unlock your brain's infinite intelligence. Your daily habits might seem small, but they have the power to change everything. What you do every single day becomes the life you live. Waking up early, reading, avoiding negativity. These are not just actions, they're foundations of your future. Science says that 90% of our thoughts, emotions, and decisions are driven by habit. As James Clear says, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems, your habits. So dreaming isn't enough. You need habits that carry you toward those dreams, because your habits become your identity. And once your identity changes, your life begins to transform. Let's talk science. Every habit follows a pattern. Cue, routine, reward. For example, you feel tired. Cue. You drink tea. Routine. You feel better. Reward. Your brain loves this loop because dopamine, the feel-good chemical, tells your brain to repeat it. That's how both good and bad habits are built. But here's the best part. Habits can be broken and rebuilt. Your brain has a superpower called neuroplasticity, its ability to rewire itself based on repetition. And this is how you take control. Napoleon Hill, author of Think and Grow Rich, talks about infinite intelligence, a powerful force within every human being. He believed that when you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, you awaken something extraordinary, your true genius. And how do you activate it? Through habit, daily meditation, positive self-talk, writing your goals, practicing gratitude. Each small habit you repeat builds a new path in your brain, and the more you walk that path, the more powerful you become. This isn't magic. This is neuroscience. Your small daily choices become the building blocks of massive transformation. Conclusion, final motivation, strong, encouraging tone. So here's the question. What new habit will you build today? Because your habits are shaping your future right now. Whether it's reading more, moving your body, or focusing your thoughts, start small, start today. Because the right habit can unlock your infinite intelligence. You've come this far in the video, which tells me you're serious about your growth. Now is the time to act. Wake up the sleeping genius inside you and show the world that you are more powerful than you ever believed. If this video helps spark something inside you, tap like, leave a comment, and share it with someone you care about. And for more weekly motivation in English, subscribe to A World of Passion now. Because your journey, your transformation, and your world of passion starts here.